Hello everyone. In today's topic, we will complete the chapter The Adventure. Okay. Before that, let me tell you some of the points related to the recap of the story that we have earlier studied. Okay. Dear students, The Adventure by Jayant Vishnu Narlikar is in fact a science fiction which is trying to show the convergence of science, history, and philosophy. In reality, three discipline, the three disciplines, namely science, history, and philosophy, have to employ different methodology of inquiry the subject matter. Okay. Professor Gaitonde had a uh, collision with a truck. At that time, he was thinking of the catastrophic theory. Okay, as you know. Okay, and its implication for history. He found himself in another Bombay, which looked more like England, cleaner, and big English shops and other things. Okay, the East India Company was flourishing there. Okay, in this different Bombay, he was to he went to the Asiatic Society library in the town hall to read some history books, including the ones he had written. Okay, most of the history books was as he knew in his world, but the point where history had changed was the Battle of Panipat. In this different world, Maratha had won. Means here, Professor Gaitonde tried to contemplate or compare two different worlds. The world he knew as per his knowledge, okay, uh, as per the history, ancient history of India, and he and his transition to a new world where he could see something different to that of he has studied and all. Okay, clear? The Maratha had allowed the East India Company to expand. In fact, its influence was limited to a few places like Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. Okay, India had become a democracy, but allowed the British to carry on the commercial regions. Okay, and this was done on a long-term lease. Okay, Professor Gangadhar Pant Gaitonde uh, wanted to find out how the Maratha had won the battle. According to one history book, the Maratha army's morale was boosted when Viswas Rao managed to escape death narrowly. Okay, when he had a close shave of his death. Next morning, he went for a stroll to Azad Maidan. Okay. Uh, there was a lecture, and Professor Gaitonde went and sat on the vacant presidential chair. It turned out that this world people were fed up of long speeches and had abolished the chairing custom, and the custom in which speech are directly addressed to the presidential dignitary. Okay, clear? So the crowd got angry because Professor Gaitonde would not stop talking. Okay, they threw things at him, things like tomato, okay, tomatoes and eggs, shoes. Okay, uh, and they then got on the stage to throw him out, and suddenly Professor Gaitonde vanished. He was found in the Azad Maidan in his own familiar world. Okay, uh, where had he been for 2 days? Okay, it was quite unknown to him. Okay, he showed Rajendra Deshpande the proof that he had been somewhere else and not just imagining things. Okay, the torn of page of the history book, Bahu Sahib Machi, okay, Bakar, okay, the torn page of this book, in his own sorry of this book from of the history book from the other world about Vishwas Rao escaping death. In his book, in his own world, the account was given as Vishwas Rao being hit by the bullet and dying. So, in our world, the Marathas has not won, the East India Company had not flourished, and so on. Okay, students, here the world he is witnessing is quite quite strange to him. Okay, and here Rajendra Deshpande told him that facts are stranger than fantasies. Okay, clear? There is a there is a big difference between facts and realities. Okay, clear? Through the discussion, Professor Gaitonde and Rajendra Deshpande came to a conclusion that there could be many different worlds at different point of time. Okay, and this is what we gonna study today. Okay, students, so let's complete it. I take issue with you there. In fact, that brings me to my second point, which you may find strange, but please hear me out. Rajendra said. Here, a discussion is being done between Rajendra Deshpande and Gangadhar Pant. Okay, Gangadhar Pant is asking about what had happened with him. Okay, and he wants proof. Okay, he wanted Rajendra Deshpande should give him concrete evidence or concrete solution to his problem of witnessing two different worlds at the same time. Okay, so Gangadhar Pant listened expectantly as Rajendra Prasad continued. What do we mean by reality? We experience it directly with our senses or indirectly via instruments. Okay, so then Gangadhar Pant, when Gangadhar Pant was listening to what Rajendra Prasad was saying, Rajendra Deshpande then asked him a question, ki what is reality actually? So in his statement, he then proceed saying that what is reality? Reality is what we experience it directly. What we experience directly is reality, or indirectly via instrument means something that we can feel through our senses is reality, or something that we indirectly feel via instruments and all that. But is it limited to what we see? लेकिन the basic thing is that what is reality that we can see, जो हम देख सकते हैं आसपास में, see around is reality. Does it have other manifestation? Then he again asks a pertinent question: if reality has other manifestation or not? Okay, the reality may not be unique. Has been found from experiments on the very small systems of atoms and their constituent particles. When dealing with such systems, the physicists discovered something startling. The behavior of these systems cannot be predicted definitely, even if all the physical laws governing those systems are known. Okay, so to explain what reality is, Rajendra Deshpande took him to a scientific fact that there is a small system of atoms and its constituent particles that of which they are made. Okay, when if it then he explained it saying that when we deal with such system, okay, whenever a physicist, okay, he dealt with such a person, he discovered something surprising. मतलब कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें पता चलती हैं एटम्स के बारे में जब हम उनके सिस्टम को पता करते हैं. द बिहेवियर ऑफ स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स और स्मॉल एटम्स is unpredictable. It cannot be predicted. Means no one can even make any kind of prediction. Definitely, if all the physical laws governing those systems are known. Okay? अगर हम सब कुछ जानते हैं तब भी उसको हम बता नहीं सकते कि उसका बिहेवियर कैसे होगा. Take an example. I fire an electron from a source. Okay, where will it go? Okay, if I fire a bullet from a gun, okay, in a different direction at a given speed, okay, I know where it will be and will be at a later time. Okay, students, here Rajendra Deshpande has tried to prove his statement by giving an example of atoms. This is a sphere. If you fire an electron from here, no one can predict where it will go, whether it will go in this way or it will go in this way. Okay, clear? No one can predict the motion of it and the different position it will take during its course of action. Okay, but we can easily predict the motion of a bullet if we shot a bullet from any gun, so it will go in this direction direct. Okay, clear? We can predict where it will be next time. Okay, in the next moment where it will be. Okay, but I cannot make such an assertion for electron. It may be here, there, anywhere. I can at best quote odds for it being found in a specific location at a specific time. Students, being a science student, you know how electron moves. Okay, suppose we shot an electron from here, okay, at this time, so we can only predict that it will be here. We cannot predict that what will be its position, but all you can say is that this electron that has been fired from one space to another, okay, will have different position at a different time. Okay, specific position at a different time. Okay, clear? This will be the movement of the electron at different time, different location. Okay, clear? The lack of determinism in quantum theory, okay, even an ignoramus historian like me was heard of it. Okay, Professor Gaitonde said. Then what quantum theory is. Okay, as per quantum theory, it is a useful theory. Let me tell you what quantum theory is. Okay, clear? According to this theory, a man while living in the present can experience a number of different worlds, but one at a time. Okay, clear? Clear? The movement of electron that I have already told you, okay, tells us about that we cannot determine its exact state by any specific law. Okay, but at a given time it can be only in one state where it has been observed. Okay, similarly the human mind can live in the present and experience different worlds in the past or the future. Okay, but only one at a time. Okay, this is called quantum theory. Okay, students. So here Professor Gaitonde said that he knew that there is a lack of determinism in quantum theory. Means no one can determine one's position in quantum theory. Okay, so imagine many worlds picture. Okay, uh, uh, in one world the electron is found there, here, and in another it is found there. Okay, in yet another it is in this it is in a still different location. Once the observer finds where it is, okay, we know which world we are talking about. But all those alternative worlds could exist just the same. Rajendra paused to marshal his thoughts. Okay, then Rajendra Deshpande gave him an example, and he asked him to think of many world picture. Okay, in one world electron is found here. Okay, let me draw it for you again. Okay, suppose these are the two different worlds. Okay, imagine electron is fired from here. Okay, it is now here, and in another moment it will be here. Okay, in another world it will be here. Okay, every time you may find the electron in a different state and a different location. Okay, clear? Clear? Once the observer find where it is, okay, we know which world we are talking about. तो जिसकी जहाँ भी आपको पता चले कि suppose it is here, so we are talking about this one, हम इसकी बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, clear? But all those alternative worlds could exist just the same, but rest of the things, they will remain the same. Rajendra paused to marshal his thoughts, and then Rajendra Prasad had paused to get something new regarding his thoughts. Okay, but there is any contact between those many worlds? Professor Gaitonde asked. Yes or no? Imagine the two worlds, for example, in both an electron is orbiting the nucleus of an atom like a planet around the sun. Gangadhar Pant interjected. Gangadhar Pant asked him, Professor Gaitonde asked Rajendra Deshpande, is there any contact between those many worlds? जो different जो worlds हैं, क्या वो contact है? So Rajendra Deshpande said yes, there might be a contact. Okay, clear? Like an electron is orbiting around its nucleus, like the other planet who revolves round the earth, round the sun. Okay, like this. Okay, not quite. We know the precise trajectory of the planet. Trajectory, you know what is trajectory means? Trajectory is a kind of path that they a definite path that all the planet keep while rotating, while moving around the sun. Okay, बोला हाँ जानता हूँ ट्रेजेक्ट्री ऑफ प्लैनेट के बारे में जानता हूँ कि सर्टेन उसका एक पाथ है. द इलेक्ट्रॉन कुड बी ऑर्बिटिंग इन एनी ऑफ ए लार्जर नंबर ऑफ स्पेसिफाइड स्टेट. ओके, दीज स्टेट्स मे बी यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई द वर्ल्ड. इन स्टेज वन we have the electron in a stage higher energy, or in stage number 2 it is in a state of lower energy. Okay, it can make a jump from high to low. Okay, and send out a pulse of radiation. Okay, clear? Or a pulse of radiation can knock it of the state number 2 to state number 1. Okay, clear? Such transitions are common in microscopic systems. Okay, then Rajendra Deshpande taking an example of electron and its movement to different sphere, he said कि suppose an electron is fired from here. Okay, it is found at different stage. It is found at higher level with higher energy. It is stage number 1. Okay, and next it will be seen at stage number 2 with lower energy. Okay, with lower energy it and send out the pulse of radiation. It emit the pulse of radiation that which it get jerk from here, jerk झटका उसको मिलेगा, and then it again in position 1, and then when energy is lowered, it is in stage number 2. ओके, तो ऐसी जो सच ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम 1 position to second and second to 1, okay, and another 1 to second, okay, these transitions are common in microscopic system. Okay students, such transitions are common in microscopic system. What if it happened on a macroscopic level? Rajendra asked, and then Rajendra asked, what if, क्या हो अगर ये मैक्रोस्कोपिक पे हो जाए, एक लार्ज लेवल पे अगर ये चीज़ होने लगे, ट्रांजिशन होने लगे, तो क्या होगा? ओके, आई गेट यू. You are suggesting that I made a transition from one world to another and back again, Gangadhar Pant asked. Then Gangadhar Pant understood what Rajendra Deshpande want him to understand. Okay, he told that his transition was done, that he transited from one world to different, and then he come back to that position again. Okay, clear? Fantastic, though it seems this is the only explanation I can offer. My theory is that catastrophic situations offer radically different alternatives for world to proceed. Okay, it seems that so far as the reality is concerned, all alternatives are viable, but the observer can experience only one of them at a time. Okay, so it is the reality that we can transit into different worlds, okay, but a world at a time, एक बार में एक टाइम में केवल एक वर्ल्ड को एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो आप, दोनों को नहीं. ओके, क्लियर? By making a transition, you are able to experience 2 worlds, although one at a time. Okay, the one you live in now and the one where you spend 2 days. And then he confirmed Professor Gaitonde that he traveled 2 different worlds, okay, at a different time. Clear? And then he returned, okay, and that is why he did not know where he spent 2 days. Okay, one has the history we know, the other a difficult history. Okay, in one world he had a history that he knew, okay, and in the other world he found a history that is quite different to that of he had studied. जो पढ़ा है उससे काफ़ी different मिलेगा. Okay, इसीलिए उसको ये सब अलग लग रहा था. The separation or bifurcation took place in the Battle of Panipat. You neither travel to the past nor to the future. और जो difference that has been occurred, that has been found, it took place in the Battle of Panipat according to him. Okay, and then Rajendra Deshpande told him that he neither traveled to the past nor to the future. Okay, you were in the present but experiencing a different world. Then he told that remaining at present, he had experienced 2 different worlds. He had experienced a different world. Okay, 2 नहीं, एक वर्ल्ड उसने एक्सपीरियंस किया. Of course, by the same token, there must be many more different worlds arising out of bifurcations at the different point of time. And then he cleared कि भाई उसी टोकन के साथ ऐसे बहुत सारे और भी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड होंगे, अलग दुनिया होगी जो वो उस बाइफरकेशन के साथ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में एक्सपीरियंस कर सकता है. क्लियर? ओके. एज राजेंद्र कंक्लूडेड, गंगाधर पंत आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन दैट वाज बिगिनिंग टू बोदर हिम मोस्ट, बट व्हाई डिड आई मेक द ट्रांजिशन? As soon as Rajendra Deshpande concluded his speech, okay, Gangadhar Pant asked him कि what is the need of making a transition? Transition करने की ज़रूरत ही क्या थी? If I knew the answer, I would solve a great problem. And he told him that अगर वो जानता नहीं इस आंसर को कि भी आदमी ट्रांजिशन क्यों करता है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों के आंसर मिल जाते उसको. Unfortunately, there are many unsolved questions in science. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम कि हम ट्रांजिशन क्यों करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांजिशन क्यों करता है? देयर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स इन साइंस दैट आर स्टिल undiscovered or undiscussed. Okay, but that does not stop me from guessing. Rajendra smiled and proceeded. Okay, you need some interaction, sorry, you need some interaction cause a transition. Okay, perhaps at the time of collision you were thinking about the catastrophic theory and its role in war. Maybe you were wondering about the battle of Panipat. Perhaps the neurons of your brain acted as a trigger. Okay, then Rajendra Prasad proceeded saying, he said, it might be possible that at the time of collision Professor Gaitonde was thinking about the effect of catastrophic theory. Okay, and to make a transition we need interaction. Okay, that cause a transition. Okay, and maybe when he was hit by the truck, his the neurons of his brain, they acted as a trigger of a bullet, of a गन का ट्रिगर होता है जिससे गोली चलती है. ओके, इस तरह काम किया हुआ. एंड दिस कॉज इज ट्रांजिशन. A good guess. I indeed wondering what course history would have taken if the result of the battle had gone the other way. Professor Gaitonde said that was going to be the topic of my 1000th presidential address. Okay, then confirming Mr. Deshpande's statement, he told that it was true that he was thinking about the battle of Panipat and the course of history it would have taken if the result of the Panipat battle would have different to that of it had. उससे अलग कोई आता तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट होता है, इसके बारे में सोच रहा था वो. ओके, देयर वॉज गोइंग टू बी एंड इट वॉज इज थाउजेंड्स, हज़ारवें प्रेजिडेंशियल एड्रेस का टॉपिक था इसका. Now you are in the happy position of recounting your real life experience rather than just speculating. Rajendra laughed. और फिर राजेंद्र हंसते हुए कहता है कि अब तुम इस पोजीशन में हो कि तुम अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस को याद कर सकते हो, बाकायदे गैस करने की बजाय ये एग्जैक्टली तुम पता लगा सकते हो कि तुम क्या सोच रहे थे क्या नहीं. ओके, बट गंगाधर वॉज ग्रेव मीन्स सीरियस, and Gangadhar was very serious. No Rajendra, my 1000th address was made on Azad Maidan when I was so rudely interrupted. और कह रहा है कि मेरा हज़ारवां तो भाषण हो गया कब? इन आज़ाद मैदान. when he was rudely, जब उसको rudely उसको इंटरप्ट किया गया था, बीच में रोका गया था, उठा के फेंका गया था. The Professor Gaitonde who disappeared while defending his chair on the platform will now never be seen presiding at any meeting. और जो प्रोफेसर गायतोंडे जिसको उठा के फेंका गया था चेयर के साथ, ओके, वो फिर कभी किसी और प्रेसिडिंग ही हैड नेवर बीन सीन प्रिजाइडिंग एट एनी मीटिंग. किसी दूसरी मीटिंग में उसको दोबारा एज अ प्रिजाइडिंग डिग्निटरी के रूप में नहीं देखा गया. I have conveyed my regrets to the organizers of the Panipat seminar. और इसके बारे में सोच रहा था तो उसने पहले कह दिया कि he would not come to convey he would not come to express his feelings in the seminar. Okay, clear? So students, these are the things related to this chapter. Okay, I have already sent you the PDF related to this chapter. Okay, clear? If we talk about true or false, the story is an account of real event. Okay, so it is a false statement. Okay, the story hinges on a particular historical event, so it's a true statement. Rajendra Deshpande was a historian, so it is again a false one. The places mentioned in the story all are all imaginary, so it is also a false statement because ये तो सारी चीज़ें सही थी, फैक्चुअल थी. The story tries to relate history to science. Yes, it is quite true. Okay, clear? So this these are the answers, and rest of things have been sent to you. Okay, keep learning. Okay, be healthy, stay blessed. Okay, thanks for watching this video beta. Thank you very much.